How to get TD Bank credit card. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. First and foremost, open up a browser that you prefer in your PC. In here, you will see the option of TD Bank credit card. Select on the option of credit cards and apply online. In the website, you will find some of the credit card that you can apply to in an instance. As you can see right here, you can just tap on the Apply Now button. Then your application process will begin, and once you are verified, you will get your hands on your TD Bank credit card. If you already have a card and you need to activate it, follow this next step. Tap on the login option that is at the very top in your dashboard. From here, you will find various sections to log in. You need to locate the cards option, then head to your credit card option. Now starting off, you will have to enter your credential that is linked to your TD Bank account. Enter your username and your password in this dialog box given to you. Tap on Remember Me only if you are using your private device. If you have forgotten your credential, you can check out the Forgot Username and Password option. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected in a new page. Based on the forgotten credential, you can just click on any of the option. Then it will provide you with alternative ways. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.